How to tie the surgeon's knot or the ligature knot. So as you can see, I've got my rope laid out in front of me into which we want to tie the ligature knot or the surgeon's knot. Now the first thing I'm going to do is take hold of the left hand one and allow it to cross over the top of the right hand one. So going off up to the tops is my working ends of both ends. The next thing I'm going to do is take this working end here and I'm going to pass it around underneath the standing part and back over the top again. And then I'm going to do exactly the same again. Take it round underneath and bring it over the top again. Now that we've done that, the next thing I want to do is take this right hand one here and pass it over the top of this left hand one. So bring them up together, pass the right hand one over the left hand one. And now we've done that, the next thing I want to do is bring it round underneath and then up through that hole that we've created there. So take it round, underneath, bring it up through that hole, and now you can pull up on it nice and tightly, dress it smartly, and there we have it. Once it's dressed nice and smart, we have one in number, ligature knot or surgeon's knot.